guys, welcome to my vlog today. It is currently 50 degrees. I'm wearing my leathers, 3,000 layers, and I'm feeling like a piece of garbage. Yeah! Cooler than a cooler. Shouts out to my jeweler. Yeah, rich ever since. So cute. That's my brother. That's my.
That you could.
Oh my God, I can't talk. I'm so excited. This is my father-in-law. He's on the Busa, and then my husband's on the R1. I like to be in the back because I just do. Either the front or the back. I hate being in the middle.
What do you mean by that?
We're gonna ride up to cycle gear. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I attached everything how I should have, so let's hope you can hear me. I can't even feel the cold. Oh my God. This is game changer. Hey! I like to be in the back, not the middle. They always try to watch for me, which I really appreciate. Like Ben will be in the front, and like his dad will be in the back, and I'm in the middle. Or if I'm with Ben's friends, Ben will be in the back, and then all his friends will be in the middle. But I'm like, bro, leave me alone, please. I get his background on it, but I don't know. I don't know. And it's traffic time too. Cute. I can't freaking breathe. Anyways. Freaking hot. Alright guys, enjoy the ride.
thing's got 3 speeds. Here, there, and gone. It's got the power of infinity and beyond. You hear what I'm saying?
That's my husband. You give him a little, just like a little taste that you want to race him, or a little like, rah, rah, he's gone. Don't play with him. His dad literally just found us. Look at him. I need to ride my own bike. freaking bright as heck. She's probably wondering like, why is this girl riding? It's freaking cold outside. And you're right, it is cold. Am I crazy? Of course. If you guys didn't know, I have piranhas. Look at my girl. Oh, you can't even see her. Oh, anyways, I was saying I have 2 piranhas and a flower horn. It's EA, which is this big one. The tiny one is tiny. And then the flower horn, I named Cash Money Records. So no.
3 hours later.
After watching my recordings, I noticed that I breathe really hard, and I do. Yep, so I'm working on breathing. I'm working on what else am I working on? I breathe really hard, and then I do like that. I don't know why I do that. It's so aggravating. Once you start, like, just in general, when you start taking a bunch of pictures or you start recording yourself, you start nitpicking at everything that you do, or things that you didn't even notice you freaking did. Like, dang, is this how dumb I sound? And then I sound so nasal. Lord have mercy, it sounds terrible, but whatever. So forgive me guys if I sound extremely nasal, or I breathe really hard, or I don't make sense. Yeah. I'm recording. Look, it might have been buy me some gloves. Did I already say that? I want some winter gloves. Come on, Benjamin. Oh, Also, I talk a bunch and I don't make sense. So a lot of the times, like, I just feel like I need to shut up. I'll start a conversation and I won't end it, which is kind of ridiculous. I do that a lot too. I do like, I do that. Oh my god. It makes me want to throw up. Literally throw up. Literally. Literally. Watch me fall. Yeah. It's shaking. Anyways, guys, this is my father-in-law. Perfect, beautiful. Got my ZX-10 and then my husband. How'd you like your leathers? Good? Man, at the beginning, did you see my bike went like this? Really good. For real. Update. Just the tips of my fingers are cold. And that's about it. Everything else is fine. Hello.
What's up?
How are you? Let me show you guys my outfit before I take this boy off. I wonder if my friend's here. I don't know. Anyways, let me fix this. It's looking crazy. So here's my outfit. The EM hoodie. And then I have a long sleeve with my North Face puffer thing. My leathers, I got these from Cortech. I think it's from I don't remember what website, but these are it. The only thing I don't like about them is my butt. Like, what is that? Look at my, it looks like I have a fatto pad. No. Anyways. Take this off now.
Into the cage. If he ain't on the money chase, then we can't relate. A nigga feel like frosted flakes, I've been feeling great.